How do I add YubiKey to Windows? To add a YubiKey to Windows, you will need to follow these steps. 1. First, insert the YubiKey into an available USB port on your computer. 2. If this is the first time you're using the YubiKey on your computer, Windows may need to install drivers. Wait for the drivers to be installed automatically or download and install the drivers manually from the YubiKey website. 3. Once the drivers are installed, open the control panel and navigate to User Accounts and then Credential Manager. 4. Click on Add a Windows credential and select Windows Hello or Security Key. 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up the YubiKey as a security key. 6. Once the YubiKey has been added, you can use it to authenticate yourself when logging into your computer or certain websites that support two-factor authentication with security keys. Note, the process for adding a YubiKey may differ slightly depending on your version of Windows. If the problem persists, you may need to contact YubiKey support for further assistance. Link in description box.